techxlovers. Garden inventions that every gardener should have. Fiskars XL Automata. The Fiskars XL Automata is an extendable hose that is designed to make watering your garden easier and more convenient. It is made from high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. The XL Automata has a length of 25 meters, but it can be extended to 15 meters by pulling on the handle. It also has a built-in water filter that removes dirt and debris from the water, keeping your hose clean and preventing clogs. The XL Automata is easy to use. Simply connect it to your garden facade and turn on the water. The hose will automatically extend to its full length. When you're finished watering, simply pull on the handle to retract the hose. H2O Wise Water Ring. The H2O Wise Water Ring is a water conservation device that is designed to help trees and shrubs get the water they need without wasting water. It is made from recycled materials and is easy to install. The water ring is placed around the base of a tree or shrub and filled with water. The water slowly seeps into the soil, providing the plant with a continuous supply of water. The water ring also helps to prevent evaporation and runoff, which can waste water. GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor. The GARDENA Automatic Water Distributor is a watering system that is designed to water your plants automatically. It is a versatile system that can be used to water a variety of plants, including flowers, vegetables, and trees. The automatic water distributor is made up of a control unit, a timer, and a number of distributors. The control unit is connected to a water source, and the timer controls when the water is released. The distributors are placed in the ground near the plant, and they release the water slowly and evenly. The automatic water distributor is easy to set up and use. Simply connect the control unit to a water source, set the timer, and place the distributors in the ground. The system will then water your plants automatically. STARBERRY MD2. The STARBERRY MD2 is an electric hook shaker that is designed to shake berry plants such as blueberries, raspberries to help them release their fruit. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of plants. The MD2 has a powerful motor that can shake plants quickly and efficiently. It also has a variable speed control, so you can adjust the shaking speed to suit the type of plant you are using it on. The MD2 is easy to use. Simply attach it to the plant and turn it on. The motor will shake the plant and help release the fruits. GLORIA FineCut. The GLORIA FineCut is a battery-powered lawn and edge trimmer that is designed for use in small to medium-sized gardens. It is a lightweight and compact tool that is easy to maneuver around borders and edges. The FineCut has a 25 cm cutting width and an adjustable head, so it can be used to cut close to walls and other obstacles. It also has a double blade system that ensures a clean and precise cut. The FineCut is powered by an 18V battery, which is included in the box. The battery provides up to 16 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Sifter Shovel. The Sifter Shovel is a gardening tool used for sifting soil, sand, compost, and other materials to remove debris and unwanted particles. A sifter shovel typically has a long handle and a wide, flat scoop with a perforated bottom. The perforated bottom allows the desired materials to fall through while the debris is caught in the scoop. GARDENA 3195-20. The GARDENA 3195-20 is a star wheel soil starter that is designed to loosen the soil and create aeration holes for better drainage and root growth. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of plants, including flowers, vegetables, and trees. The 3195 has a star-shaped wheel that rotates as you push it through the soil, breaking up the clods and creating small holes. The holes allow water and air to reach the root of the plants, which helps them to grow healthy and strong. The 3195-20 is easy to use. Simply insert the star wheel into the soil and push it down until it is flush with the surface. Then, rotate the handle to loosen the soil. Makita UB002C 36W. The Makita UB002C is a backpack blower that is designed for professional use. It is powered by a 36W lithium-ion battery that provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The UB002C has a powerful motor that can generate a blowing force of 22 newtons, making it ideal for clearing leaves, debris, and other materials from large areas. It also has a variable speed control, so you can adjust the blowing power to suit the task at hand. The UB002C is comfortable to wear and easy to use. It has a padded shoulder harness and waist belt to help to distribute the weight evenly. The blower is also equipped with a shoulder strap that allows you to carry it like a backpack. Sunjoe's 24V HCS LTE P1. The Sunjoe's 24V HCS LTE P1 is a cordless mini chainsaw that is designed for pruning branches, cutting down small trees, and clearing bush. It is powered by a 24-volt lithium-ion battery that provides up to 20 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The 24V HCS LTE P1 has a 5-inch chain that is made from a high-quality steel. The chain is also low kickback, which means that it is less likely to kick back and injure the user. The 24V HCS LTE P1 is lightweight and easy to use. It weighs only 5.5 pounds, so it is easy to carry and maneuver. The chainsaw also has a built-in safety switch that prevents accidental starts. Rotoshovel MAX. The Rotoshovel MAX is a battery-powered automatic shovel that is designed to make digging easier and faster. It is a new product that is currently Indiegogo. The Rotoshovel MAX has a 36-volt battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. It also has a 4-inch auger that can dig through soil, sand, and gravel. The Rotoshovel MAX is easy to use. Simply attach the auger to the shovel, turn on the power, and push the shovel forward. The auger will do the digging for you. Share and subscribe.